Alright, so right here we have this equation. And we are going to fill in the blank right here to create an equation that has infinite many solutions. And if you remember, an equation with infinite many solutions is an equation where on both sides they're equal to the same thing. As in we get x is equal to x, or we get 15 is equal to 15. An equation like this is just an equation with one solution. But an equation that says both sides are equal to each other, like this, they have infinite many solutions. So let's do this. First, let's simplify this side right over here. Let's distribute this 5x and then minus 25 plus x. Well, we can combine these like terms. 5x plus x would be 6x minus 25. And that's equal to 6x plus blank. Okay? So now we have to figure out what we're going to put on this side to get the same expression as this side. Well, we can just add negative 25. We can just go plus negative 25, and we'll get the exact same thing. 6x minus 25 is the same thing as 6x plus negative 25, because you can just remove this plus and just put a minus and take away that minus sign. And you have the exact same equation. If we solve this, we can just remove x from both 6x from both sides, and we just end up with negative 25 is equal to negative 25. Or we can remove 25 from both sides, and we get 6x is equal to 6x. So we've created an equation with infinite many solutions. Stay in school. Okay, wait.